morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here currently at the job site and we're redoing this flooring here. We're putting this simply waterproof flooring. It's from hydrogen, and yeah, I want to show you the transformation. So at the moment we're still dealing with all the furniture that's here in the room, and we're going to basically remove everything, remove the carpet, remove the flooring, the baseboard, and then we're going to redo the flooring and we're going to redo the baseboard. This is going to be, it's going to be a great job. I mean, yeah, stay tuned. We pull all the carpet out, move all this stuff around back and forth, make it work, and this old stuff here. So now this here is uneven, so I gotta either pull this all off and sand it, or I have to grout it where this transition is here. All depends on how hard this is coming off. Preferable this is coming off, and then just grout the edges here. I tried sanding it, but doesn't seem to work as good as I want. So now it's just a matter of grouting it, prepping it. Once this is prepped, all the nails and the staples are pulled. That's all done. Tomorrow my wife is going to come here as well. I'm going to bring my fine tool because we have to, this might not be big enough. And then we'll put that underneath here. And then I'm going to screw some of these joints. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is my best work I've ever had.
Oh man.
It's a lot of work. Yeah, we're a team together, right?
We are.
Welcome to Thiessen Homes and Renovations. As you guys can see, we ripped the laminate that was on top of here. So we have the 70s floor, we have the 80s or 90s, and we have the laminate on top, the 2000s. So now we're removing all that, going right to the foundation, if you want to call it, but to the plywood. So basically, the couple that owns the house is not getting younger, so they're concerned about steps in the house, and there was a big step between here and the other, like the living room and the kitchen. So that's where we're moving all of this, and my goal today is to get all of this done, get it all prepared, get that sanded. So yesterday I came back in the evening and I put some self-leveling compound in here, and then I went to get some sandpaper, and guess what, it's not big enough. I need 24 inches and it's 21. So that wasn't very smart. Yeah, so I gotta sand this. My goal for today is to sand this all down, make it flat, make it smooth, get all the nails and staples out of here, prepare this all, and then tomorrow morning, or maybe even tonight, depends how late they want me to work or they allow me to work here, then I will just hit it hard and start laying. And my goal is to start basically from that wall, get all the way there. So the rows are gonna go like this. Start there, go up to there. Then I gotta move all this furniture back on here. And then I can start in the hallway and basically do all this hallway stuff, get this all done, go into the kitchen all continuously in here, and basically get this section all done. And then I gotta go into the bedrooms, clean those out. There's 3 bedrooms and a couple closets, so basically clean those out and then put it all on here, just so I can work on there. Gotta rip the carpet out, and then we gotta do the baseboard too. So it's a little bit of running around, but I know at the end it's gonna be worth it. It's gonna look good. I knew it was gonna be like this, so yeah, if you have any projects like this where you're concerned, maybe where you're still living in the house, we can definitely accommodate around that. There's definitely ways to make that work. If you're looking for a small render like this, basically you're looking for a flooring done, baseboards done, maybe a paint coat, do some painting in the house, some touch-ups, we can help you with that. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I hope I've earned your subscription, and let's continue working. Okay, it's now the end of the day, and this is all done. So we put 4 rows down, and then rip this all out, sanded this, smooth this all out, rip out the subfloor here. So tomorrow my wife will be here as well. She'll clean the rest of this, make sure this is ready to go. And then hopefully, but tomorrow we should get all of it done up to cabinet there, up to there, and then basically move all this stuff over here, and then finish the rest here with the hallway. And once that's done, we gotta clean out all these rooms, put that in the living room, and rip out the carpet. Do the same thing over and over again. Three more rooms. So yeah, this is my first project this year. If you have a similar project like this, reach out to me and I'll be glad to do that project for you. I'll leave my info in the bio I'll leave my info in the bio or in the links. I will leave my info in the description, and if you want to reach out to me, then you can gladly do so. If you live in the Calgary area and you have a project like this that you would like to get done, reach out and I'd love to give you a quote on that. So tomorrow, we'll see what happens then. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so quick update here. We've run into some issues. I'll show you guys what I mean. So this is basically ripping out the flooring, the subfloor, and look at this. This is plywood, or it's supposed to be plywood. I can just poke my finger through it. This might be happening more often than people think, but the reason this is happening could be the window, or it could be outside the batten. So a lot of times they did all this trim back in the day. They didn't seal it properly, and the water goes somewhere, right? It goes the easiest resistance, the path of the easiest resistance. So my guess is it comes from the outside, the stucco. I'll have to replace this in order to do this right. And yeah, this is welcome to renovation. This is what we run into. Okay, we got it's the next day and we're back at it. So yesterday we got 4 rows done, and today we're planning to do all the rest. Like I explained yesterday in the other clip, I got a little helper here. So my wife comes and helps me in the morning, and then she takes this guy. Hey, Gabriel, say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Gabriel.
Gabriel. Nice. So he's my little helper. He's learning how to do it. So yeah, enjoy the time lapse. Ladies and gentlemen, here's my wife. Best worker I've ever had in my life.
Oh, thank you for this compliment.
She does not get paid. She doesn't know yet. Don't tell Veronica. Anyway, if you guys want to hire a real team, this is a real team. We just finished this project here. Like as you guys saw in the previous clips, we're ripping out the carpet and all the flooring is installed. It looks great. I find it looks amazing. And put the kicker board on, brand new kicker board, and with the white trim, it looks amazing. Put the stairs on. It looks amazing. If you guys like this content and you want to see more of this, please like and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next, which projects. And a little coincidence, I literally just walked in. All of a sudden there's glass everywhere. I was like, what's this? And I look up, sure enough, it fell down and shattered all over the floor. So now we're just cleaning up the rest, taking our stuff all out, and we're out of here. Oh yeah, I did another oopsie. When I was tearing out this flooring, my wife was tearing out stuff over there, and I was tearing stuff over here, and I said, be careful with the tile. I kid you not, next thing I know, I'm right under here and tear this up so this tile breaks. So now I gotta fix it. But other than that, we're out of here. Got this done. How it's gonna match up with the flooring and with the walls, but it worked out really great. So, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time. Ciao.